Hi everyone, last video conclusion said scared, this time to reveal this treasure. This is a mouthful of free from the Makangai mining area of fried gold stone. You see this bright color like this, to see the internal crystal situation. The interior is also very clean, only a little slight small package body, that issue into a zero-shaped special gem. Not much to say, now start charging shooting, first touch out the gem table and then probably trim the shape. I believe I watched the video, this gem will really dazzle you. Touch after the grinding card into a light card, first give the face for polishing. Using diamond powder for example, the fruit is like this, very bright after throwing. And when sanding the treasure, the next step is to secure it to the root time board. Roast the turkey with a torch, then secure it and top the countertop with a top leveler. Then you can install the tool octopus hand, this white one. Pin it, start to give the shape of the waist of the gem, then only down. A zero shape can start polishing the can. Now is in the first layer of polishing the can cloth. The first layer according to the shape of the gem to give a layer of F surface out. You can see the first layer is polished, this mud redness is really very strong, and then polish the second layer. The second layer is also up another layer of second layer is like this. Hey, this shoulder to shoulder color is really good. After the second layer is touched, grind the third layer. This gemskin cloth is also composed of 3 layers, but the third layer is to add a small triangular surface on the left and right sides of each surface. Now the third layer is sanded. The can cloth is okay. Next directly polish him, so first polish the 2 parallel layers to him. Because the top layer is relatively small, so this has to be specially to throw. Well, now these 2 layers have been polished, really this color more and more beautiful. 2 layers also thrown to the hard surface effect after began to throw the top of the top layer of this, to gently while bubble light, while using 10 to see if his wiring has been connected to him. After confirming this, the gem's waist also throw, let a can cloth do good effect. How? Isn't it very handsome? We are rarely seen in the market such a shape of gems because this is actually more scrap but I really like to cut the good after the can cloth is done. Now take it from the stick to him down, and then the just sanded can cloth to him connected ready to start making stop cloth is the lower part. Now sanding the first layer of the court. The first layer is to make 4 drama surfaces according to the shape of the waist. Can you see what happens after the first layer is done? Those mines on the tip are still Y7 lubas, so now we have to increase the surface upwards. On the left and right sides of a guest face, add another guest face to it so that they intersect like this. You can see that there is still a little bit. Grind off the package body, cotton, etc. And now sand the third layer, which is to add another layer or so to intersect. Now the third layer has been sanded. Next to polish it, there are these small areas have nothing to do. A polishing one time to him to solve the current polishing stop for the first time. Well, you can see that now the first layer of the field curtain has been polished. Next, the layer is also given to bright. The effect of this is really very rarely a video so many times to be good. Now that the stop of the whole mouth gem has been polished, next we have to get to the most tense and exciting section, get it from up. After warming the train with a torch and removing it, lather it with alcohol. After soaking, take it out and gently use a tissue to look forward to its effect. I believe you will like to see, this is the effect of shooting in the city. Strong eyes are really invincible, okay? This color plus this charcoal, my god, this gem is really stunning when cut out and there are very few such gems. And then look at the natural light under natural light although it is not big this gem, but it looks about 1.3 times larger than normal. So this gem looks really very beautiful, and I cut a lot of years ago are produced in the Makangai mining area of solid gold stone. Every mouth is very clean, very beautiful. Just thought to share with you on the first day of the Lunar New Year. So do you like these Makangai? Very festive colors That issue of the video is shared here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.